Apple room tour. Sure, if you want to do a tour, let's do a tour. But yeah, most of it is actually my desk. A lot of trash on the other side. Keep it nice and clean on the right. Then I have multiple keyboards and mice I use. This is from Logitech. Then this is my self-made iMac 5K display. Yeah, it's insane. I made a video about it, but this actually doesn't exist. This is actually powered by my MacBook Pro underneath. There's a MacBook Pro, a 15-inch 2018 model. And then here on the left, let's go there. Yeah, my pile of iPhones, my AirPods Max, some of these amazing pieces of art that I still need to hang on the wall from Grid Studio. Yeah, what else you guys want to know? I have a iPhone 8 there, which I use sometimes for filming. My AirPods, here are my AirPods 3 clones. Yeah, and basically these speakers are from Kanto Audio. Yeah, really nice speakers, love the design. iPad Air here. Yeah, Apple Watch SE. Yeah, that's basically it. And I actually try not to keep too many Apple products because they descend in value, decrease in value. And just, yeah, that is not worth for me to keep so many products for long. So if I get a new model, I want to try to resell it or give it to somebody who needs it from my friends.